before I came to IT online learning, there was a short course I was doing, and I didn't really find the support that I found in IT online learning. You have access to tutors every time you need. Just email them and they will respond to you. Barbara and Ryan, they were the best tutors I had. That was really helpful. I ended up passing my exam.
Hello, my name is Roxanne and I'm a recruitment advisor at IT Online Learning. And today I'm with Lutendo, who started recruitment with me. And firstly, Lutendo, welcome. And I would like you to please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Lutendo Maboko. Currently, I'm working part-time as a warehouse operative. And I was in a recruitment process whereby I decided to opt out because next year I'm studying university. So I just decided to opt out and work part-time for now.
And why did you want to study?
So when I moved here, I saw there's a lot of opportunities to grab. And I went online to search for some online courses because I couldn't get to university then. So I thought, let me just do a short course. And I came across IT online learning, and they offered a lot of courses. So I saw one that was project management. I thought, okay, project management is, if I can study it, it's something that I can complete within a year. So I just decided to choose project management, and it's a good course that I chose, to be honest.
Okay. All right. So what did you enjoy most about studying with IT Online Learning?
Okay. I will first say the support system. So IT Online has I think when you get into their website, your login portal, your portal, they have a place whereby you can talk with tutors and discuss with other students. For example, let's say you have an exam coming and there's something that you are missing, or you just want to know how others found the exam. You can communicate with other learners and just find advices. Another thing was how the lectures are structured. So the video lectures. To be honest, the guy explains very well, and it's just easy to understand, to be honest.
Which memorable features shaped your journey the most?
I'll definitely say it was with Roxanne. The reason being, she helped me, my mindset, in a way. I thought, when it comes to interviews, it's just, hey, go there and you just say whatever you want to say. But she changed my mindset about that, which is not only something that I will say it helped me here, but it's gonna help me in a long run, in future when I'm done with my studies and everything. I can be able to implement those ideas that she gave me, in just my normal future, to be fair.
All right. So I'm very happy to hear that I assisted you and I made such a difference. So thank you. So how have we helped you? So how has IT Online Learning helped you as a whole with growing professionally or even personally?
I'd say mostly it's gonna be personally. The reason being, so I've never studied it was not up to me to study. Usually you'll have classes in person, so the teacher will, or the lecturer will tell you, okay, you have this, you have to do this. When it comes to IT online, trust me, they'll provide you with every material that you need. You'll find the support that you need. But at the same time, it's up to you as a person to decide, do I want to study? Do I really want this? So that helped me in aspect of being able to stick with, to finish what I've started. So if, for example, the course that IT Online offers. Usually it's a 1-year course, to be fair. You can finish it like in 6 months, it's up to you. But if you are someone who's used to be taught or like in lectures and stuff, you will struggle a lot. Like me, I really did struggle. But I had to tell myself that I started this, so I need to finish it. So I'd say on that aspect, personally, I was really helped. Professionally, comes back to Roxanne again with my resume and CV. Like that, like it really helped me to see how to structure a CV, how to structure a resume, like in ways whereby I think there's a machine that processes CVs in ways that the machine won't just throw your CV out. That really helped me also. And thank you. Okay.
Thank you. Would you recommend IT Online Learning to friends, family members, or even colleagues?
Yes, a lot. By the way, I recommended my brother. He's also looking for like short online courses. My twin brother, I have a twin brother, by the way.
Oh.
Yeah, so I recommended him to do a course. He wants to do IT with IT Online Learning. The reason being, before I came to IT Online Learning, there was a short course I was doing like for 2 months. And I didn't really find the support that I found in IT Online Learning. Like with tutor, you have access to tutors every time you need. Just email them and they will respond to you. Barbara and Ryan, they were the best tutors I had, especially when it comes to Barbara. She clarified a lot of things, like when it comes to exam. We also did an online session where, because I failed one exam, so Barbara specifically did a session whereby she explained everything, and that was really helpful. I ended up passing my exam.
Okay, that's wonderful. So we're looking forward to welcoming your brother to the IT Online Learning family. And really, really well done, Lutendo. It was such a pleasure to be working with you. And I wish you everything of the best in all your future endeavors. And I'm sure that you're going to succeed even in your studies. Thank you so much.
Thank you a lot, Roxanne. Thank you. And thank you to IT Online Learning.
All right.